Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering Excel functions and boosting your productivity. In today's tutorial, we're going to explore the CHOOSECOLS function in Excel. This powerful function helps you select specific columns from a range, making your data analysis more efficient. Let's dive into the details of this function. Let's start by breaking down the syntax of the CHOOSECOLS function. Here's what each part means. Array is the range of cells you want to select columns from. Column number 1, column number 2, etc. are the column numbers you want to choose from the array. Now, let's look at our example. We have a table of sales data with columns for date, sales rep, product, and sales amount. Our goal is to create a new table that only includes the date and sales amount columns. In cell F2, we'll enter our formula. Next, we need to specify the array. In this case, it's the range from A1 to D4. So, we type A1, D4. Now, we need to add the column numbers we want to choose. For date, it's column 1, and for sales amount, it's column 4. So, we type 1, 4, and close the parentheses. Press Enter, and Excel will return the selected columns in the new table, showing only the date and sales amount columns. The complete formula in cell F2 is displayed on the screen. And there you have it. We've successfully used the CHOOSECOLS function to select specific columns from our data range. The CHOOSECOLS function is incredibly versatile and can be used in various scenarios where you need to streamline your data analysis by selecting only the necessary columns. That's it for today's tutorial on the CHOOSECOLS function in Excel. We hope this tutorial helps you master Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.